catching exceptions, and I'm in New Orleans on Poydras Street for the Sitecore Symposium and the MVP Summit. Get ready for an epic deployment of engineers, entrepreneurs, and ostensibly other onlookers. I'm here at the MVP Summit with Pieter Brinkman, the Program Director. Pieter, what do you hope happens this week here while we're here at the Summit?
Most important part for me is that the MVP get to know each other better, right? So you all work together on social media, you help each other out on community at Sitecore, you create modules with guys from different countries and different parts of the world. You create a better relationship, you collaborate better, you know how to reach out to. It's not only the community, it's also within Sitecore. There's a big delegate group here from Sitecore Product. I think that's the most important part for it.
Me too. And what is your message to the MVPs that are here tonight, that are about to embark on a boat cruise?
Keep your feet dry, stay on the boat, don't miss the boat, and have a good time, right?
All right. Thanks, Pieter.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, Day 2 MVP Summit, NOLA Motorsports Park. We're having a great time. I'm here with Rodrigo Peplau, and we're going to talk about this week. So how you doing?
I'm really good. Excited for being around.
Excellent, excellent. So we're here, things are going on, we're still kind of early in the week, but what are you really looking forward, this week to really kind of take away and kind of go home with?
Well, because I'm from Brazil, there are not many Sitecore developers there. My idea here is mostly to get the networking and understand how things are going. This is my first year of MVP, so it's a great chance to get in contact with new technologies. Things are always changing, so I'm really excited for being here. It's a shortcut for good knowledge.
So you're looking to get some of those insights of future versions of what's coming.
Exactly. So yeah, my idea is to get up to date with that and bring it out to Brazil so I can have my folks up to date as well.
Yep.
In the next year, I believe we'll bring more of these guys with me.
Excellent, excellent. Well, hey, thanks for taking the time with me today.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
What you doing?
So I'm here with Jeremy Davis. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah. So kind of want to get your thoughts on what's been going on, what you're looking forward to. So right now, what are you looking at from a standpoint of walking away with this week with MVP Summit and Symposium?
I have to say I'm quite excited by what's being talked about with the future of the commerce aspects of Sitecore. I come from a background where I did a few projects with Commerce Server back in the days when it was a Microsoft tool.
Yep.
And it's been fascinating to see how that's evolved from what they bought from Microsoft and how they're making use of all the kind of the knowledge that they bought out from that team.
Yeah.
Because it's looking quite exciting, and it feels like it's becoming something I'd actually want to deploy in a project now.
Well, there you have it, Jeremy Davis, Day 2. I'm here with the Commerce MVP, Kelly Brennan. How you doing, Kelly?
Good, thanks.
So, what's you kind of brand new, right?
Yep.
Brand new MVP week at MVP Summit and Symposium. So, how's it going so far?
It's going really well. It's my first time in America, so
Oh, nice.
yeah, getting used to the things there, and it's been really good to meet a whole bunch of new people and a whole bunch of MVPs, and got a good experience today with a round table that pretty much had, I think, everyone there, including in the commerce kind of sector, including the people writing the software, and so that's really exciting.
Excellent, excellent. So, what do you hope to kind of get from this week? You met some people, so is there anything more you kind of want to get out of the week here and kind of go back home with?
Look, all the new stuff coming up in Sitecore is the big one.
Yeah.
Big one for us back home as well, and so there's a lot of excitement, a lot of good news there, and it's just being able to kind of take that back and start formulating plans for where we're going and making sure that our skill set is ready to like really take advantage of all of that. I think the other really good thing that I found out today and that we've kind of been talking about is the increase in the number of female MVPs here this year, and it's a good move, and I'm really interested to kind of see what we can do to help increase that kind of going forward and make sure that we're empowering the kind of the female developers and the skill set that we have there. So.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely nice to see more women amongst the group, and it needs to continue, quite honestly.
Yeah.
It needs to continue. So, well, have fun this week.
Will do.
Enjoy it, and then we'll see you guys next time.
So I got the first one, and then.
We're here at the Sitecore Symposium. Here with me is Michael Seifert, CEO of Sitecore. Michael, so what is everybody here going to experience, or what are they going to learn today about Sitecore?
Yeah, so what we're really hoping to get out of this year's symposium is to be able to show everyone how to do context marketing, right? This year it's about how do you do it? It's not that complicated. Let's get started. Some easy practical hints and tips about how to get down that context marketing path and really provide better experiences for your customers.
And what do you hope to get out of this week? What do you want to see happen?
Well, for me, I think it's about seeing the whole community, about all the energy and the buzz, and for everybody to go home re-energized and having ideas and ambitions about how to actually go back and do more for the business that will just create better experiences for customers and create some good business results.
And what would your message be to anyone who wasn't able to attend?
You missed out on a great show. I know that to some extent it's our fault for not getting a big enough venue. Next year we'll get a much bigger venue so we can fit everybody in, and be sure to register early next year. That will help a lot.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm here with Nick from Coveo. Nick, what is Coveo bringing to this week here?
Yep, so we have a new edition of the product. It's the Enterprise Cloud Edition. You basically get all the benefits of the Pro Cloud Edition plus the Enterprise Edition.
And you have intelligent search now, which is probably the most exciting feature you've got.
Yep, Reveal is our biggest feature. There's a lot of investment on the Coveo side to make that running, make it working. There's a new feature in that one, which is Coveo Reveal Recommendation. Recommendation will actually look at what people are doing on your website, not only in terms of search, but globally looking at all the page views that are done to your website, trying to find trends and visitors, so people that have been viewing those pages end up liking this document or reading this document. So if you have a similar pattern, we're going to provide you this document as something similar to you. There's also the context of the concept of context, which is new into the platform. Basically, all the interactions that are done into your website, into search, now have the context of who you are. So if you want to mix in the DMS profile, XDB profile, into search, so search will be different based on who you are. That's not baked in the product so far, so the XDB, but it'll be added within the future.
Are you guys getting a lot of interest?
There's a lot of traffic at the booth. Pretty impressive. Come visit. Come see what we have. We have a lot of good demos. We'll be glad to show you.
Thanks, Nick.
Thank you.
I'm here with Chris DiPietro at Lionbridge. Chris, tell me why you're here.
So we're here as a platinum partner of Sitecore. So Lionbridge provides industry-leading translation services. In addition to that, we also integrate directly into the Sitecore platform. So users of Sitecore can very easily send content to us for translation. So we'll translate it, we'll QA it, we'll review it, we'll do everything from that end. Professional translation, of course. and then we return that content back into Sitecore through our connector, where the content will then be able to be reviewed, published, and everything like that. So we've really automated a lot of the translation process, and we're here to show our customers, our new technology.
And the point is that a professional translation is a really good translation as opposed to Google Translate, which is an approximation.
Yeah, so while machine translation has grown a lot, and there have been a lot of improvements, websites are, most people's babies. They really want to take care of that and make sure that the website is always perfect for their customers to see. They want their message to be displayed correctly, and so all the customers that we work with that do website translation have been doing it through professional human translation for those reasons.
Now that you're here at the symposium, what is it that you're trying to get out of this week?
So definitely just trying to meet a lot of the integrators like you guys and everyone else here that we have relationships with already. It's good to put some faces to the names and also meet some new people. It's also great to find some new Sitecore customers that may have some localization requirements, and we can show them how we can really help them. It's been a great conference so far. Our technology has been one that has helped a lot of customers go global and make it a much easier process. So it's great to get out here and introduce that to everyone else.
Sounds great. Thank you, Chris.
Awesome. No problem, Mark.
I'm here with William at the Elliott Wave International. Give me a little quick explanation of what Elliott Wave does.
All right, we're a market forecasting firm. We produce market analysis for all over the world. We specialize in socioeconomics, and we're a Sitecore implementer. We implemented Sitecore about 2 years ago.
So now that you're here, what was it that drew you here? Was there any specific feature, or are you just here to network?
My boss told me to come. Yeah, we're just here to try to build partnerships, see what new technologies are out and available, meet people that maybe can help us in the future. We're a small development shop. We know that for some of our larger projects in the future, we may need to bring on assistance, and we're just looking for partners.
What's the next session you're going to try to attend?
I can't remember which one it is. I have to bring up my app, my Symposium app, and check that out.
All right, so thank you. That's all I got for you.
All right. Yeah. Yes, sir. Look forward to maybe working with you.
Yeah, definitely. We're here at the end of day 2 at the Sitecore Symposium, and I'm here with Lisa from Russell Investments. Lisa, tell me what Russell Investments does.
We're a global asset management firm.
And now that you're here, what were you coming to Symposium to try to get out of the week?
I'm in IT at Russell. I was looking for the technical roadmap, what's coming on the new versions.
What caught your eye while you were here?
Learning about SXA was interesting, the email manager, some of the print manager stuff.
PXM.
Yes, PXM.
Were you happy with everything you saw?
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. The keynote speakers were interesting and funny. The comedian's super funny. The House of Blues event was a really good time. Yeah. And the venue, the city is just really fun. I'd only ever been here once. Had a good time.
All right. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
So that was Catching Exceptions, and you just experienced Sitecore Symposium and the MVP Summit in New Orleans. Next time you see me, we're going to be getting to know somewhere else. Till then, hang loose.